So good evening all. My name is Stephen Prince. I am from KNSIT. I am 2022 passed out from CSE branch, and I got placed in Kumaran Systems with a package of 4 lakhs per annum. I would like to share my experience of JSpiders. My entire journey has been really good and memorable experience, and as well as all the faculties here, they have taught us all the programming skills and technical skills. They have helped us improve in each and every parts where we can groom ourselves, and they have took all the efforts for us, and all the especially the HR also for all the requirements which they gave. We thank you, JSP team. And there are many technical concepts which, even though being a CS background student, we wouldn't be so sure of it, and all the other programming skills which we would learn from our college wouldn't be more efficient, but still they taught us from the scratch. It was very useful for us, and it helped us crack the interview for Kumaran Systems as well. We thank all the faculties for it once again, and I would refer any of my friend to join JSP, so that they'll also, who doesn't have a job, would get a job soon, because there are many requirements coming around now, and since this is a recession time, get job soon guys, and thank you.